Hi, I'm Kimberly with Beauty by Sown. Thank you so much for stopping and watching. I want to talk to you today about your skin. And getting closer to 50, our skin becomes more and more a point of topic and focus. We want our skin to look its best. We want it to have it look youthful, hydrated, and healthy. So that fresh, healthy, glowing skin is achieved not just with a one product approach. You can go there, but I want to show you some pro tips and my tips on how to have your skin look its best, how to look younger in the skin that you're in. So I'm going to share with you my 3 tips. One is, dun, da, 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 you want to layer your moisturizers, your serums. So it's all about layering. Number 2 is sunscreen. And number 3, and I want to talk to you about where to put your sunscreen. And number 3 is a very, very good pro tip, which so many of my clients are in awe with and love. It's about how to wear and use liquid highlighters or highlighting moisturizers. So let's get started so I can show you my pro tips on how to look younger with the skin that you're in. Hi, okay. How to look younger is so many different things, and the biggest thing in my opinion is your skin. So many women I meet and talk to every day, they're like, how does your skin look so great? You're almost 50, what do you do? I do chalk a lot of it up to genetics. The other thing is sunscreen and drinking a ton of water and getting so much sleep. But when it comes to basic skincare, you're like, okay, that's great, but I can't get, 8-9 hours of sleep every night, or I have a hard time sleeping. What do I do to help my skin in this moment instantly feel and look younger? I find a lot of women think, oh, if I just buy a moisturizer, one moisturizer, if I get that on, it's gonna help. And yes, it'll help, but the biggest thing I can tell you is that it's all about layering. So I wanna show you what I do every single day, and that is layering my skincare. And I want you to always start with a tonic, a water, anything that's like a little, there's micellar waters out there, there's hydrating tonics. I want you to do a water that does not have alcohol in it. Oh, I wanna make sure that it's not a toner. It is a tonic or a hydrating water, a face water, a rose water, whichever type of water, because a lot of these waters have nutrients in them. They've got extra hydration. So I, look at these baby hairs growing back or falling out or something. But I swear by hydrating face tonic. I love it. I put it on always right after I've cleansed my skin out of the shower, and putting that on gives your skin hydration, but not an oil form. So it's bringing the pH balance back into your skin. Then what I like to do is go right into a serum. There are millions of serums out there. There is anti-aging serums, hydrating serums, sunspot serums, vitamin C serums. You name the serum, you can find the serum for your problem and get the solution in the serum. One of the serums I've been using lately is a Mer serum. It's a lifting serum. I love it. It was gifted to me, so I feel very lucky. But whatever serum you can pick up or have, take 2-3 drops, warm and press it into your hands, and then gently press. I always like to apply it where I think I need it the most first, which for me is my smile lines and down onto my jawline. Then whatever serum you have, I always take it also under my eyes and along my crow's feet per se, and then just tap and press. Apply it to the back of your hands and let that absorb. You don't want to go right into then a moisturizer. A lot of times your serum needs to go into your skin. And if you see what we're doing, we're starting with a water. We're gonna go into a serum and we're gonna build up and up and up into thickness of texture, because you're giving layers of hydration, repair, moisture to your skin versus just putting on one single moisturizer. That's not gonna do the trick that you want to have your skin look and feel its most youthful. So I am now using an eye cream. I'm loving this Bobbi Brown Hydrating Eye Cream. I take a very small amount in the daytime and I apply it right underneath my eye with my ring finger. And whatever eye cream I have left, I always apply it around the edge of my lips. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm now feeling my skin. The serum is given a little bit of a cushion, but there's no slip to my skin. You'll always know that your skin needs more hydration if when you go to run your fingers over your cheek, there might be a slight slip, but you want it to be very dewy. You wanna have a nice, good glow to your skin before you move into makeup. So I'm now gonna move into a more gel-like moisturizer. This is a Bobbi Brown Moisture Cream, which I adore, and it smells amazing. It's like a little spa in a jar. And I take, a generous amount, and I always like to warm and press the moisturizer into my hands first, and then I'm going to apply it again gently and not massaging too hard onto my skin, but definitely applying it where I need to. Smile lines, my jawline, and then of course anything onto my neck. And then I have a shinier, sort of greasier forehead, but I'm always worried about texture. So I just tap and press whatever moisturizer is left on my hands onto my forehead. Always tapping it over my lips. I haven't applied lip balm yet. So now my skin definitely has a moisturized slip to it. You can see here there's a little bit of a glow. The sun just changed a little bit from outside. I'm sitting in front of a window. So you can see there is that nice healthy glow to my skin. Now I'm going to put a primer on, and there's tons of primers out there. There's mattifying primers, there's moisturizing primers, glow primers, all the rest of it. But I'm going to use a primer that has an SPF in it because I swear by sunscreen, and I'm gonna use, this is SPF 50, and it's also got a primer built into it. So I'm gonna apply this now over my moisturizer. I always remember that you want your sunscreen closest to the sun. So as you layer, in your layering, try and always have that sunscreen closest to the sun or as one of your final layers to your moisturizer. So now my skin is primed, it's hydrated. There's a serum there working, again, giving nutrients to my skin. I have a moisturizer on that's helping to plump the surface of my skin. And then this primer has given a little bit more of a hydration, but it's giving me that SPF. Now I'm ready to go into my foundation. There is one other little pro tip I want to share with you, and that is looking at your skincare also as a pre-makeup or a makeup bit of a game. If you have a highlighter, a liquid highlighter that you love, I want you to try it before your foundation. So this is something that I love to show women on how to have their skin look younger before you even tackle the world of foundation. So I love to use, it's a Bobbi Brown Bare Glow. There's so many highlight glow liquids out there. Another one that I show a lot of my clients, it's, there's one L'Oreal Lumi Lotion. There is, I've got so many here. But the one I want to show you is the Bare Glow. So this is a pearlescence. So you can see there is some treatment benefits in this Bobbi Brown product, but you can see here that there's a little bit of that sheen glow. And again, you can apply this where you want to see. Do you see that difference? That glow in the skin. This has none, this has some. That glow to the skin. So I am going to take some of that Bare Glow, and I want that glow only in certain spots of my face. Where I want to apply it here at the top of my cheekbones, and again, top of the cheekbones. And I have very dark, deep set eyes, so I like taking a little bit of that glow and applying it right under my eyes also helping to bring it forward. I don't want to apply glow here at the center of my forehead, but I will apply a little bit here on the bridge of my nose. And then whatever's left, I always apply it onto my neck. And then just tap a little bit here on the top pout of my lip. You can also apply a little bit of glow here on the outside part of your brows if you find that you get really, really dry. Again, my forehead is shinier, so I try not to bring more glow to my forehead, but I definitely need glow on the height of my cheekbones to help bring that part of my face forward. So that is a pro tip I wanted to share with you on different ways to approach your skincare, layer your skincare, SPF, and use a glow highlighter where you need to. And trust me, your skin is going to look younger than just going for one and done moisturizer, putting it on. Take the time for yourself to have your skin look its best. Thanks for watching. Bye.